Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to flush a Dodge Ram 1500 radiator. First, gather your tools, including a large drain pan, a garden hose, and a wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or steam. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator on one side. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's drain the old coolant. Position your large drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug to catch all the fluid. Carefully open the drain plug. Sometimes a flathead screwdriver or a wrench is needed. Let the old coolant flow out completely. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing the system for fresh fluid. Be patient and ensure it's fully drained. With the old coolant drained, it's time to flush the system. Close the drain plug securely. Fill the radiator with clean water, then start your engine and turn the heater to its highest setting. Let it run for about 10 minutes to circulate the water. After that, drain the water again. Repeat this process until the water coming out is completely clear, indicating a thoroughly flushed system. Finally, let's refill and finish up. Close the drain plug tightly. Now, carefully pour in the correct type and amount of new coolant for your Dodge Ram 1500. Start the engine with the radiator cap off and let it run to bleed any trapped air. Top off the coolant as needed. After a few drive cycles, recheck the coolant level and add more if necessary to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.